Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download HappyMod APK on iOS or iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So HappyMod is a platform for downloading your APK files that cannot be directly downloaded onto your iOS or iPhone device, because iPhone and iOS uses IPA files, not APKs. So to install modded apps on iOS, you can use a third-party app installer like AllStore or Tutu app, or you can also open your Safari and download it through your web browser. So these third-party installers downloads the modded IPA files and require you to trust the apps in the settings by going to the general option and giving device management. So by using a third-party app or your web browser, you will be able to download your HappyMod APK on your iOS or iPhone device. I hope you find this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.